What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is my 93 Chevrolet C1500. Getting this thing ready to go off to the powder coaters. We welded up all the unnecessary holes in the frame, boxed it all in a trellis style. It's been back halved with a 4-link setup to accommodate the 20 by 15 rear wheels. Here it is back from powder coat. Turned out pretty good. We just did a satin black. This is when we started doing all the assembly on the chassis. All QA1 coilover conversion, stage 3. Beltec drop spindles, little shop manufacturing, big brake kit, 6-piston Millwoods, all tubular A-arms. There's a good look at the trellis frame that we boxed in. All QA1 set up in the rear. So we used strange engineering sheet metal to fabricate the rear end. We did it all in-house. Mosier axles. Again, QA1. We've actually changed those out to QA1 double adjustables. We got a Boyd welding gas tank in it. Got a billet watch link in it that we machined. Turned out pretty clean. We're pretty happy with it. This is when it was in the roller stage. It's got a 4L80E that was built by RPM Transmissions in Indiana. It's got a LS7 dry sump motor out of a 2007 Z06. Had 7,080 miles on it, I believe. Actually belonged to a friend of mine. He crashed it, and I ended up with it. Starting to look like a truck now. Got the cab on it, back from the body shop. We welded up all the unnecessary holes and body seams in the cab. You can see the top right there where we de-seamed it. The cab turned out pretty good. This is the exhaust. This was a tedious thing. We went from a 3-inch round to a 3-inch oval so we could run it along the frame to get past the tires, because we really didn't have any room to go up over the rear axle because of the gas tank in the back. So it's all 3-inch stainless. Once we got it all TIG welded up, we actually took it and had it ceramic coated. A lot of time, a lot of uncertainty. We didn't know how we were going to do that. It's just a good shot of the brake line. We made all the brake line brackets, brake lines. All turned out pretty good. The whole underside of the truck is rocket line. The bed, the inner fenders, everything. We went with BRP hot rods out of Georgia. They built the headers for us. They're 1 7/8" all stainless. They did the cross member as well. We made all the rear 4-link setup, all the brackets, all the bars. Starting to look like something there, isn't it? Pretty happy with how clean it turned out. This is when we're putting all the dynamat in. A lot tedious. So tedious to do that. Jack and Lorraine, they sat there for hours rolling that stuff in there. They did a phenomenal job. It turned out so good. The old blue truck. So the rear is a 20 by 15 intro, and the fronts are a 20 by 6 intro. Twisted vistas. all new AC components in there. Had to put styrofoam on the lug nuts there. We wouldn't rack our shins all the time. And there he is, all finished. We like to call him Sir Donald. I'm going to leave you with some before and a few after pics. If you like the content that you saw today, give me a thumbs up. If you would, subscribe. Appreciate you checking them out. Have a good day.